Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Farooq Abdullah again presents himself before the Enforcement Directorate after he was summoned for the second time in 3 days. The grilling is in connection with Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association case at his office in Srinagar. Farooq is accused of misappropriating 43 crore rupees when he was the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association. The controversy dates back to 2011 when contracts were given to private companies for developing sports infrastructure and funds in the state. The funds were allegedly manipulated for wrongful gains. This is the third time that he has been questioned in this particular case. Reacting on a fresh round of Enforcement Directorate grilling, the NC has called it a coercive measure to corner any voices of dissent.
The party president Farooq Abdullah was also questioned in 2019, but due to the COVID there was no further investigation. But during last 3 days the Enforcement Directorate team is here which is investigating matter, and the Dr. Farooq Abdullah has already appeared on second time during last 3 days. National Conference has clearly said that it is a vendetta by the central government to summon the party president Farooq Abdullah in the Enforcement Directorate. Already he was questioned in 2019, and Farooq Abdullah himself also said that he is going to cooperate with the agency, and they are sure that he will come out clean. We asked also to the Lieutenant Governor of J&K yesterday that why this investigation has been picked up against the Farooq Abdullah. He clearly said that the administration of the Jammu and Kashmir government is probing all those allegations of corruption in the Jammu and Kashmir, which includes this one, and this will further continue across the Jammu and Kashmir. What kind of financial embezzlements took place during the different governments in the state, they will be probed. With cameraman Tariq Noor Ashrafani for India Today in Srinagar.
Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the very latest. Kamaljeet, if you could just tell us where does the probe stand as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned vis-a-vis Farooq Abdullah, and also the NC's reaction calling this a political vendetta?
Well, this is obviously a decade-long case. This was regarding 2001 to 2011, where Farooq Abdullah, who is also the NC patron, who was the chairman of Jammu Kashmir Cricket Association, there's a talk of embezzlement of funds of up to 43 crore rupees. This is where his checks, his signature are there on the checks. But more to it is that the timing of this particular investigation, that is a matter of suspect, because this is what is being said, that this is a time where it was the Gufkar signatories who had come together, led by Farooq Abdullah. They're also saying this is a time that they're planning to take on the centre. Remember, assembly elections are still far away, yet all these parties collectively under the flagship of Dr. Farooq Abdullah coming together to take on the centre as far as abrogation of Article 370 are concerned. However, they've mentioned that this is going to be peaceful. What is also significant is, since this FIR was registered in 2012, he was only called in just before 5th August in Chandigarh. That's where he was questioned, and then again he was called in on the 19th of October. Dr. Farooq Abdullah has been very defiant, and he's also told the investigators, don't ask me repeatedly the same questions. I've told investigators whatever I knew. Today in the morning we've been told he went out for a golf. Remember, it's his birthday today. And Umar Abdullah, besides crying foul and saying this is a witch hunt, this is what the PDP is also saying. He said this is his father's birthday and this is a vindictive move by the centre. So clearly there are allegations flying thick and fast. The regional party is calling this a political vendetta. However, they're saying they're going to stand by as far as the signatories of Gufkar are concerned. Remember, this is going to play out because ED will have to not just have evidence, but they would need much more if they want to actually act against Farooq Abdullah. They've not done it. He's simply been summoned. Earlier on Monday, he was questioned for 6 hours. His questioning goes on. And remember, the next twists and turns could continue. But clearly, Farooq Abdullah at this point of time, since he was playing golf early this morning, can we say he's not seemed to be very
All right, Kamaljeet, thanks for getting us all those latest updates right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.